Trauma in the Classroom by Teresa Gong. Student trauma. There is evidence that the number of dysregulated children and youth in the classroom has been increasing. As educators, we need guiding principles to discern how to stand beside our students and walk them through the psychological and learning challenges at that moment. Their misbehavior is not simply disrespect, but a manifestation of significant cognitive distortions and limitations resulting most often from the unmitigated stress and trauma that characterizes their life. As educators, we are not to identify or diagnose the students as traumatized, but to recognize that their experiences may interrupt their ability to maintain a sense of psychological and/or physical safety and well-being in the classroom. As a community, we can help students heal and grow in order to maximize students' academic and social functioning. Secondary trauma. As teachers, we need to be aware of our capacity to self-regulate when stressed or triggered, and be committed to self-evaluate and seek appropriate self-corrective measures as needed. Our success with supporting students depends on our own awareness of who I am and how I function in the world. This is a vital part of what helps us to be an effective educator. Teachers can begin exhibiting secondary traumatic stress, which is the emotional duress that results when an individual hears about the first-hand trauma experiences of a student. Listening and supporting your students is the compassionate and right thing to do, but no teacher will do their best work if they are suffering from STS. As teachers, we need to have strategies for self-care. Self-care. Join peer support groups where teachers talk through experiences and coping strategies who share similar circumstances. This can enhance optimism and hope. Focus on self-care, making a healthy diet, exercise, and regular sleep priorities to reduce adverse stress effects. Seek professional support. Working with a counselor who specializes in trauma to process distressing symptoms and experiences provides additional perspectives and ideas. Recognizing success and create meaning. Identifying aspects of helping that have been positive and important to others assist with resolving secondary trauma and distress. I will leave you with the slide of references. Teach and be well. Thank you.